Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals, coming to you live from Asia, guys. Great time to be live, and we're going to be talking about something that is right in front of our eyes: manipulation. I got proof. I got freaking proof out there, and also, yeah, we're going to be also talking about Donald Trump's announcement. Was it good? Was it bad? Or was it a nothing burger, guys? So we're going to be talking about that. Let's dive into the content without any further delay, guys. Let's absolutely get it, guys. Let's get it right now. Let me just shrink down my screen so you guys can see here that yesterday that Bitcoin, big technical difficulties. You can see here that Bitcoin just dumped again yesterday, and I'm going to prove to you that right now that I haven't seen this. I've been in this business a long time, been in crypto a long time, been on YouTube for like 4 or 5 years now, and I have not seen this level of blatant wanted manipulation ever. It's plain and it's insane. And this manipulation is being coordinated with exchanges by institutions to basically shake the retail investors out and basically take out leverage longs and leverage shorts. And it's getting sickening and out there. And I'm gonna be ranting through most of this video, but it's getting pretty sickening out there. And they've got to stop it. You can see yesterday the crypto bubbles, everything is down. Like look at Doge, everything took a massive hit. Right now the market cap. Let me give this a minute to refresh. We were like 3.02, 3.04 some time ago, and you look at us now. We're down to 2.91 trillion. Fear and greed is at 22 for the crypto market. Altcoin season, forget about it. That's never going to happen. Oversold. Yeah, we're oversold right now. Look at Bitcoin, dumped, right? Bitcoin's now 86,000. It went as low as 86,000. It's 86,589 right now. We're seeing that BNB is down 1%. XRP is at 185. It's a disaster, an absolute disaster. A lot of people are panic selling. Don't do it. Don't freaking do it. XRP is down as well, 3.83%. The Doge is down as well. So it's not looking good, guys. It's not looking good. Let's take a look at the chart on the 4 hour. You guys can see. Look at this chart. We had this beautiful wick up on the 17th, right? Wick up, and then we have this disaster, right? Wick up here at 1900, right? 1900. We wicked this. We went as high as like 1360, and then we wicked all the way down as low as 1248. Only a couple hours later. Like what the heck is going on? Look at XRP. Pretty similar kind of setup. Yesterday on the 4 hour, you can see we wicked all the way up. We went as high as 199, almost $2, and then bang, back down again at 2,300. We went as low as $1.84. If you take a look at Bitcoin, pretty much a similar kind of thing happened as well for Bitcoin. You can see we had this massive wick to the upside. We went as high as 90,000, and then we dumped all the way back down to $86,000. And you guys can see, if you measure the amplitude of that from the top of that candle to where we dumped the low, that's like a 6% dump within hours. Bitcoin added like 3,000, then dumped 4,000. Like what the heck is going on, guys? It's insanity. It's absolutely insanity. If we take a look at the liquidations out there in the last 24 hours, we can see that look at that. It's insanity. So what the heck is going on? So this is what's going on. You can't make this. You can't make this shit up. Okay, Bitcoin just surged $3,000 in 1 hour and reclaimed 90,000 as 120 million worth of leverage longs were liquidated. Minutes later, 200 million worth of leverage longs were liquidated, with Bitcoin down 86 to 86,000. That's 140 billion swing in market cap in under 2 hours. Leverage is out of control. This is pure manipulation, guys. Pure manipulation out there. There's no rhyme or reason for it. It's absolute pure manipulation out there. That's what I'm saying. Looks like Donald Trump says that our current financial system is outdated and will be replaced with a state-of-the-art cryptocurrency framework under the new bill. Let's listen to what Donald DT has to say.
It out, but payments.
Here we go.
Many Americans are unaware that behind the scenes, the technical backbone of the financial system is decades out of date, many years out of date.
XRP.
You know that. Paul and others are straightening it out, but payments and money transfers are costly and take days or even
XRP.
weeks to clear.
Could this be
Under
XRP?
this bill, the entire ancient system will be eligible for a
XRP.
21st century upgrade using the state-of-the-art crypto technology.
XRP.
Who would have thought we would have been saying that 2 years after many Americans?
Comment. For me, I believe that's totally going to be XRP, guys. Totally going to be XRP. If that happens, and XRP is part of that, XRP could be worth hundreds of dollars per coin. That's amazing, guys. So if you take a look what's going on with Dogecoin right now, Dogecoin broke. Also. Yeah, Donald Trump's announcement. Remember, everyone was kind of like this big Donald Trump announcement. Oh, everyone's waiting for it. Yeah, what happened? He came out and said that people in the military will get a $1,700 check and selected people. Okay, wow, great, fine. Now, if everybody in America got $1,700, that would be a lot of liquidity added to the market, and definitely we'd be seeing crypto pumping right now. But yeah, it's not happening. So you can see here. Let's take a look at the markets. U.S. markets, how they closed up. So you can see that, let me give this a minute to refresh. Yesterday, the U.S. markets, get out of there. Yeah, everything was down. Everything is like down. From Starbucks to Burger King, why Western food giants are offloading stakes to Chinese PE funds. I don't know. Who cares? Out there. So we can see here that Doge broke down from the trading range, retested, flipped the support, lower part of the previous range into resistance, and now continuing its move. So this is manipulation, right, at its core. So we're seeing here that Doge right now is on 12.5. We had some support here at 13. That we broke down from the support. So our next support level is 12 for Doge. So if this continues, we're going to be shaking down to 10 cents, guys. Definitely shaking down to 10 cents soon for Doge. What else we got coming in? Here's another article. Bitcoin is being manipulated. And okay, here. Okay, here's the proof, right? Okay, I like this article. Okay, Bitcoin is being manipulated, and I have proof. Everyone is talking about how Bitcoin went up 3,000, then went down 4,000 minutes. Everybody's posting about it, but nobody seems to understand what actually happened. You need to look at the flows, not the chart. Within minutes, Wintermute, Binance, Coinbase, and ETF-linked wallets all get activated at the same time. Large blocks moving exchanges to exchanges, huge market buys hidden in books. Then just as fast, they dumped it all. Here's what actually happened. Liquidity was low, leverage stacked on one side, funding was already stretched. So price gets shoved up aggressively to trigger FOMO, and more importantly, to pull in fresh longs and push exiting shorts out of the way. Once enough leverage was trapped, they started dumping all their coins. You can literally see the set data. Okay, look at the data. Look at that. Look at all the wallets that were activated. It's crazy. All the wallets are activated. It's insane. It's insanity, right? Okay, it's insanity. You can literally see the data. Coordinated inflows to major venues, market buys clustered in the tight window, immediate reversal once stops were cleared, heavy selling right after liquidation levels are tagged. That's not organic demand, that's liquidity hunt. This is how large player trade size without chasing price. They move the market to where the orders are, force liquidations, and unload into the chaos they just created. It wouldn't surprise me if they went long and short with hidden wallets. If you're new, understand this now. Bitcoin never moved like this because of news. It moves because of leverage pileups, and someone with size decided it's time to wreck everyone. Watch funding, watch open interest, watch who's moving coins, not who's tweeting charts. By the way, I was the only one to call the exact bottom at 16,000 3 years ago and expect the top to be 126,000 in October. If you missed my calls, don't worry, I'll do it again. I want to help people. Yeah, amazing, right? So yeah, what else is coming in right now? What else is coming in? This is breaking. The Fed just rolled back a major anti-corruption policy. That is pretty good. The Fed Reserve has withdrawn the 2023 guidance that effectively blocked uninsured banks from becoming Fed members and engaging in crypto. So that's pretty good news. Bitcoin 4-year cycle may be dead. That is good. Kathy Wood of Ark Hill says the 4-year cycle is dead, and Bitcoin is asking like a risk-on asset again and climbing a new wall of worry. Expect BTC. Early on, BTC was expected to drop 75 to 90 cents, but we're seeing that volatility decline with some piling into this new asset class. She believes it could cap further down, and that the low may have already been seen a couple of weeks ago. I think the low is in.